If you are trying to activate Microsoft Word, Excel or any other Office product and getting product activation failed or this error message, then there's easy fix for that. Open File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive, Program Files x86, then Microsoft folder, and check if you are getting Office 16, 15, 14 folder here. If not, go back to C drive, Program Files, and then Microsoft Office folder. Here you will find Office 16, 15 or 14 folder. Just open it and then you will find osppRM.exe. Right click on it and then run as administrator. Click on the yes option you will see on the screen. And you have to run this file for 3 times. Just right click and run as admin. And after running this file for 3 times, you would be able to activate your Microsoft Office products and use them without any problem. That's all for this quick video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next one.